Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime on your iPhone. So if you want to start an Amazon Prime membership using your iPhone, then just follow along. First, open Safari or any web browser on your iPhone, then go to the Amazon website. Then sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't already have one, then tap Create Account and complete the registration process. Once you're signed in, tap the menu icon and look for Prime or search for Amazon Prime. You'll see available Prime membership plans in your country, including monthly or annual options if they're offered. Then tap Start Your Prime Membership or Join Prime. Then next you need to choose your preferred payment method. You can pay using a credit card, debit card, or any other payment option supported by Amazon in your region. Then review your membership details, then tap Confirm or Start Membership to complete the subscription. After your subscription is activated, you can enjoy Prime benefits such as fast shipping, Prime Video, Prime Reading, Prime Gaming, and other features available in your country. You can also download the Amazon Shopping app and Amazon Prime Video app on your iPhone to access your membership benefits more easily. So that was how to subscribe to Amazon Prime on your iPhone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.